How have cars changed the foods we eat? World War II caused a consumption transformation. Processed, packaged foods designed for long-haul shipping became ubiquitous. After World War II ended, restaurants began offering these consistent industrial foods to families and made meals that were easy to eat in the car. Drive-ins, drive-thrus, and handheld family food exploded in popularity in the 1950s. By the 1970s, the drive-thru had overtaken the drive-in restaurant. A speaker and microphone replaced the car hop. Some estimates say that drive-thru sales account for 70% of purchases from fast food restaurants. Today, fast food is made to be eaten in the car, with packaging that is designed for car cup holders and that is easy to throw away. Food served in a ceramic bowl in your car just doesn't work.